Asbestos removal activities continue at the Engine Maintenance Assembly and Disassembly Facility, or EMAD, at the Nevada National Security Site. Asbestos is a hazardous substance previously used in insulation and various building materials. The carcinogenic fiber of asbestos is most hazardous when it is friable and airborne. Therefore, proper removal of this material is critical to ensure a safe environment for demolition work to continue at EMAD. Workers don hazmat suits and follow contamination preparation procedures for asbestos removal to the letter, including covering surfaces, constructing enclosures and decontamination areas, and posting signage, to name a few. The team removes and bags the asbestos-containing materials. The bags are then moved into trailers which are padded and lined for further containment measures. The trailers then transport the regulated waste to the appropriate facilities on the NNSS for safe and secure disposal. This is another safe, secure, and successful step toward work being completed at EMAD for the EM Nevada program at the Nevada National Security Site.